In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for miniatures that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Phrozen Sonic 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K is a high-performance 3D printer designed specifically for enthusiasts and professionals seeking exceptional detail in their prints. With a compact structure measuring 11.4 inch in diameter and 16.9 in height, this printer features a striking black and orange design. Its standout attribute is the ultra-high 22mm, 1152 ppi resolution, which allows for the creation of intricate miniatures and bust sculptures with unparalleled precision. The printer incorporates a linear projection LED module to enhance light uniformity, ensuring that even the finest details are accurately reproduced. Its ultra-stable dual linear rails minimize Z-axis nodding, contributing to high-quality outputs, while the frosted laser-cut building plate guarantees strong adhesion for models during printing. Additionally, the 7.1-inch mono LCD screen provides an expansive printing area, enabling users to print larger models or multiple miniatures simultaneously. Overall, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8K represents a significant advancement in consumer 3D printing technology. Number 2. Tina 2 Mini 3D Printer. The Hefty 3D printer is a user-friendly, fully assembled device designed for beginners and children, featuring an intuitive 2.4-inch LCD display. With dimensions of 8.27 inches by 8.27 inches by 11.42 inches and a lightweight design of 2.58 kilograms, it is compact and ideal for home, school, or office use. The printer comes with a sample roll of polylactic acid, PLA, filament and a microSD card loaded with various model files, allowing users to dive into 3D printing right away. It boasts convenient features such as one-touch auto bed leveling, high-precision printing through dual Z-axis and Y-axis rails, and a reliable pause and resume function to handle power outages. Additionally, the removable magnetic build plate ensures easy model removal while providing excellent adhesion. The Hefty 3D also comes with a friendly warranty that includes a 30-day return policy, a 12-month free repair service, and lifetime technical support. Number 3. Creality Resin 3D Printer. The Creality Halot R6 is a compact and user-friendly resin 3D printer designed specifically for beginners, featuring a lightweight aluminum construction that weighs just 5.8 kilograms and measures 9.25 inch dx 9.06, wx 15.55 h. With its 2K 6.08 inch LCD screen and built-in boot guide, users can easily navigate the setup process and start printing right out of the box. The printer boasts an integral light source with over 90% uniformity, ensuring consistent and high-quality prints, while its orange-coated top cover effectively shields against UV rays for added safety. The R6 also enhances printing success rates through its flat platform design and high-precision Z-axis, minimizing wobbling and misalignment. Additionally, it supports intelligent features like Halot Box software for easy slicing and printing, as well as the Creality Cloud app for model downloads, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced users looking for a reliable 3D printing solution. Number 4. ELEGOO Mars 3. The ELEGOO Resin printer is designed for those seeking high-quality printing solutions, featuring a robust design with dimensions of 20-inch dx10, wx10, h and a weight of 55.6 pounds. Available in vibrant colors such as red, yellow, and black, this printer excels in various applications, including figure printing, utility tool creation, and jewelry design. Its compatibility with a wide range of resin types ensures versatility, while its commitment to excellent printing accuracy and detail performance makes it a reliable choice for users. The printer is built with a strict manufacturing process, ensuring stability and reliability during use, and the perfect match purchase feature eliminates the need for frequent matching searches. Number 5. Snapmaker 2.0 3D Printer. The Snapmaker 2.0 A350T is a versatile 3 one modular 3D printer designed to unleash creativity through 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving, all within a compact aluminum frame. With dimensions of 12.99 inch dx 25.2, wx 21.26, h and a weight of 28 kilograms, it boasts a generous build volume of 12.6 by 13.8 by 13 inches, allowing users to create large-scale prototypes without the need to split designs. Its innovative modular design incorporates CAN bus technology for efficient data transmission and easy component interchangeability. The A350T ensures high precision with a repeatability of 0.005 mm, delivering consistent performance and safety thanks to its robust all-metal construction. It is equipped with user-friendly Snapmaker Luban software, featuring a 5-inch touchscreen interface, power loss recovery, and compatibility with various operating systems. Additionally, Snapmaker offers a 1-year warranty and comprehensive customer support, including technical assistance and resources to help users get started.